AI has gotten really good at talking. Over the past few years, we've seen incredible progress in language models. We can ask questions, generate ideas, write code, summarize information, and even hold conversations that feel natural and intelligent. But despite all of that progress, something has been missing. AI can tell you what to do. It can guide you step by step. It can explain almost anything. But when it comes to actually interacting with real systems, we're still the ones doing the work. We open the browser, we click the buttons, we fill out the forms, we move between tabs. The AI helps, but it doesn't act. That's the gap. And that gap is exactly where a new category of systems is starting to emerge. Instead of AI that only responds, we're beginning to see AI that can operate. AI that can take instructions and translate them into real actions inside environments like the browser. This is where OpenClaw comes in. OpenClaw is a system designed to allow AI agents to interact directly with web interfaces in a structured way. It gives agents the ability to click, type, navigate, and move through real applications just like a human would. But the goal isn't just automation. It's not about writing scripts or creating brittle workflows that break when a page changes. It's about enabling dynamic interaction. It's about allowing AI to operate in real environments while still maintaining control. And that distinction is important, because as soon as AI starts taking action, the problem changes. It's no longer just about generating the right response. It's about executing the right behavior. And that introduces a new set of challenges. How do we make sure actions are correct? How do we prevent unintended behavior? How do we ensure that systems remain safe and predictable? Because giving AI the ability to act without structure can quickly become dangerous. That's why systems like OpenClaw focus not just on capability, but on control. Every action needs to be intentional. Every interaction needs to be understood. Every step needs to be traceable. This is where the idea of structured execution becomes critical. As AI systems become more powerful, it's not enough for them to simply do things. They need to do things in a way that is defined, constrained, and reliable. And this is part of a much bigger shift happening in software. We're moving from a world where humans operate software to a world where AI assists, and now to a world where AI can actually operate systems on our behalf. The browser is just the beginning. Once AI can reliably interact with interfaces, it can begin to connect with workflows, tools, and real-world processes in a much deeper way. This course is designed to introduce you to that shift. You'll learn what OpenClaw is and why it matters. You'll understand how AI agents interact with browser environments. You'll explore real-world use cases, from automation to development workflows to business applications. And just as importantly, you'll learn about the challenges, safety, control, and the need for structure. Because the future of AI isn't just about intelligence, it's about execution. And more specifically, it's about controlled execution. Whether you're a developer, a builder, or just someone interested in where AI is heading, understanding this transition is going to be increasingly important. We are moving beyond chat. We are moving beyond static tools. We are entering a phase where AI systems can take action in the real world. And the systems that define how that happens will shape the next generation of software. This is your introduction to that world. Welcome to OpenClaw. Let's get started.